Friends, just now we got an update from JNTU regarding our examinations, which we didn't write. There's like last semester examinations are going on from October second week. So, to know more about these examinations kind of things, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and to never miss an update from our channel, घंटी तो बजाइएगा. So first, this update has been came yesterday at evening or night, between that like 7 or 8 we got this update from JNTU that they're going to conduct this examination like first year second semester and second year second semester, third year second semester, these examinations and supplementary examinations also from next month, that is like October second week onwards. They are going to conduct these examinations, and the twist part comes right now, my friends. Listen please carefully. You can write these examinations you can write these examinations at your nearby center. Like if I am staying in another district like Karimnagar, whatever it may be, I can write examinations nearby my college, like JNTU college. Only I can write my examinations, even though my college is in Hyderabad, like that. Okay, I can write wherever I am in near my like JNTU college will be there. No, there I can write examinations. That means we can choose a college, okay, and there we should write. Okay, if we won't go there and write our examination, we will be failed in these examinations. Okay, and these examinations are going to conduct for B.Tech, B Pharmacy, and like I think these are the two. And final years, like final year people are also writing their examinations, right? uh, they're writing their examinations. Now going on. What happens we can't say. After 14 days only we can say. Okay, चलता है भाई, कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एग्ज़ाम तो अभी नहीं तो कल तो लिखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना. एग्ज़ाम्स तो लिखना पड़ेगा. बिना एग्ज़ाम्स लिखने के लिए आपको मार्क्स कौन देगा भाई? Without writing any exam we can't get memos, right? No one gives memos without writing any examinations. We should write. Not today means tomorrow, that's it. Like आपका हेल्थ का तो ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा. मैं तो लाइक कोरोना टाइम है ना भाई, सैनिटाइजर वैनिटाइजर सब कुछ लेके जाना, ठीक है. एग्जामिनेशन हॉल को लेके जाके एग्ज़ाम लिखना. ओके. One thing, like all colleges are distributed Google Forms to students so that they can select their district. Please, if you didn't fill that Google form, please go and fill that Google form which college send you in like WhatsApp group. वो लोग सेंड करते ना, उधर जाके लिख दो आपको किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एग्ज़ाम देनी है, उसमें लिख दो बस, ठीक है. बाय दिस थिंग्स यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट exams are going to conduct from next month. So dates are not given clearly. They'll give timetable regarding this, don't worry about that. But exams are going to conduct from second week of October. And अब तो आपका बुक्स ओपन करके पढ़ाई कर लो. हम घर पे है ना जी, जान लगा के पढ़ना. उसका मतलब ये है कि आप सीधा साधा जाके पढ़ लो, क्योंकि एग्जाम्स आर गोइंग टू कंडक्ट एनी वे, एंड इफ़ यू डोंट राइट यू वोंट पास. दैट्स इट व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू से. जाके पढ़ लो, बुक्स ओपन कर लो. एंड we didn't received any update for degree colleges, like degree students. This update is only for B.Tech and B Pharmacy students only. Okay. ओके खुशी हो गया और दुख में रह एग्जाम्स होने ही वाले ना. डोंट बी सैड, डोंट बी टेंस्ड. आपके हेल्थ का ख्याल रखना, ठीक है. मास्क, सैनिटाइज़र, ग्लव सबको लेके जाना, ठीक है. मैं एक चीज़ बोलता हूँ, उतना बड़ा बड़ा एग्ज़ाम्स हो रहे बाहर, लाइक नीट हो रहा है, लाइक IIT JEE हो रहा है. हमारा भी होएगा एग्ज़ाम्स, तो नहीं पोस्टपोन होएगा. अब तो नहीं होएगा भाई, क्योंकि उतना बड़ा बड़ा एग्ज़ाम्स ही हो रहा है. हमारा एग्ज़ाम्स तो ज़रूर होएगा. लाइक हम लाइक वो उसको रोक नहीं सकते ना. अब गवर्नमेंट ही डिसीजन लिया ना है तो हम रोक नहीं सकते हैं, मगर हमको सेफ रखना है. लाइक वी शुड कीप आवर सेल्फ सेफ. सो फ्रॉम करोना, COVID. Like this is the update regarding examinations. Don't worry my friends, all the best and pallu bye. Guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Meet you in next video. Till that time, keep on watching.